Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can update date of birth on Discord. So for that you need to open up browser, or you can also open up Discord, and you can just open up Discord support from there. And if you are on browser, then just search for Discord support. After that, just open up the very first link that you will see, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you need to click on submit a request, and here just click over here and click on trust and safety. After that, it will load up, and here you need to provide your email address, and then in this section called how can we help, click over here and select appeals, age update and other questions. After that, click over here again and select the option of update my age information. Then putting your phone number is completely optional. After that, provide the date of birth, the original one, and make sure that you provide some certifications that your age is absolutely correct, so the Discord team is able to help you out. Then provide the subject line. It could be like update age, and in the description provide the reason for your age updation, and this way you would be able to make sure that you can convince the Discord team that you are not a bot or someone trying to fake their identity. So this way description would be helpful for you. And also provide attachments. It would be like a brownie point for you in order to get your age updated, and then submit it. And this is how you will be able to change your age on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.